Even the most experienced grill master knows that it can be a challenge to entertain while cooking food for the crowd. That's why I use my Ninja Pro Connect grill. The built-in thermometers monitor the temperature of my food, while the control panel will tell me the current temp and target temp, making for a foolproof experience. And now with my Ninja Pro Connect app, I can set my grill, monitor the progress of my food, and then sit back, relax, and enjoy the party. Let me show you how to use the built-in thermometers. First, remove the thermometers from the holder that's conveniently stored under the control panel on your grill, and plug the first thermometer into the top jack on the left side of the control panel labeled number 1, and the second thermometer into the control panel labeled number 2. This dual compatibility allows you to use 2 thermometers simultaneously, so you can cook 2 different proteins to 2 different doneness levels. Once you're ready to start cooking, insert your thermometer horizontally into the thickest part of your meat. Be sure that you don't insert your thermometer vertically or at an angle, as that can affect the readout. Also, if your meat has a bone in it, make sure that you avoid the bone and try to avoid any gristle or fat. Add the food with the thermometer inserted and close the hood over the cord to begin cooking. It's okay to close the hood down on the metal wire, just don't close it down on the metal tip because that can cause the thermometer to shift in the meat. Now it's time to select your cooking function, your cooking temperature, your protein type, and your desired level of doneness. For this smoked whole chicken recipe, I'm going to set the grill to smoker and the temp to 375. To set the thermometer, I'm pressing the thermometer button in the bottom right corner and using the dial to select chicken. The doneness for chicken is automatically set to well. Then I'm pressing start to begin cooking. The control panel will display IGN to signify that it has begun igniting. There's no preheat time for the smoker function. The pellets will go through an ignition cycle for 3 to 6 minutes. Then the grill will begin cooking and the timer will begin counting down. Also, if you're using the smoker function, Woodfire flavor technology will automatically kick in, so you don't have to press that button. If you're using a second thermometer to monitor the temperature of a second protein, plug thermometer 2 into the bottom jack labeled 2 and set your desired protein and doneness. You also have the option to select manual to set your desired internal doneness. Don't forget, you can also start and monitor your cook using the Ninja Pro Connect app. Once you've inserted the thermometer into your food and close the hood, simply open the app, select thermometer as your monitor method, and choose your cook mode and grill temp. Then turn on the toggle for thermometer number 1 and click into it to select your desired food load and target doneness. If you're using a second thermometer, you can choose a different food load and doneness. From there, you can track preheating progress and will be notified when to add food, when to flip halfway, and when the cook is complete. You can also make any adjustments directly on the Ninja Pro Connect app. It's important to note that proteins continue to cook once you remove them from the grill. This is called carryover cooking. Allow the meat to carry over cook and rest for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until it reaches its proper internal temperature. With the built-in thermometers, the Ninja Woodfire Pro outdoor grill makes it so easy to grill, smoke, air fry, bake, and so much more without the guesswork, so you can enjoy your backyard barbecue. Check out ninjawoodfire.com for tips, tricks, accessories, these delicious recipes, and so much more.